With EzeInvite's Contacts feature, you can manage contact information of all guests and event organizers in one place. After publishing an event, you can invite people from your contact list. There are several ways with which you can add contacts. In EzeInvite's mobile application, either you can sync your contacts from email or from the phonebook. You can also add the contacts manually by filling in the basic contact details. In EzeInvite's web application, you can add contacts either by Excel upload or by manual entries. You can access the contact list and favorite list from the contact table. You can also create contact groups. If you want to add specific contact to your favorite group, simply select the contact and choose your favorite group from the Manage Group option, then click on Save. Searching favorite contact also becomes simple with the search option. In the My Events screen, click on the Invite People option, then select your contacts from the contact list, click on Send Invite button, and the event invitation will get sent to that selected contacts. Managing contacts and sending invitations for events is so easy with EzeInvite's easy-to-use interface. Sign up and start creating events today.